Hello students. Yes, we were doing integration by using properties. Definite integrals कर रहे थे हम. By using the properties of integration. We were doing extra questions. Let's start with the other one today. Integration of integral of x upon 1 plus x 1 plus x square dx limit goes to 0 to infinity. In this type of integral we put x as tan theta. Now derivative of tan is sec square. Now when x is 0 then theta is also 0, and when x is infinity tan is infinity for pi by 2. So limit tends to 0 to pi by 2. X is tan theta upon 1 plus tan 1 plus tan square dx is sec square. 1 plus tan square is equals to sec square theta. So this and this will cancel. We have tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta d theta. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. Now we use the property integral of 0 to a fx dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x tan 90 minus theta upon 1 plus tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot. So 0 to pi by 2 cot theta upon 1 plus cot theta. Now add both the equations. Add 1 in 2. We get 2i is 0 to pi by 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan plus cot theta upon 1 plus cot theta d theta. Tan upon 1 plus tan and cot plus 1 upon cot. Now we can change tan to sin upon cos or write cot as 1 upon tan. tan की टर्म को हम एज इट इज लिखेंगे. cot is 1 upon tan. Take the LCM. One upon tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Tan theta cancel हो जाएगा. tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta plus 1 upon 1 plus tan. Now take the LCM. Denominator is same. So tan theta plus 1 upon 1 plus tan theta d theta. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. Integral of 1 is theta 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. So I is pi by 4. So we get the answer I as pi by 4. Now the next one is integral of x tan x upon sec x cosec x dx. Limit is 0 to pi. Write tan as sin upon cos. Sec is 1 upon cos and cosec is 1 upon sin. X sin square x dx, let it be I. Now integral 0 to a fx dx, use the property 0 to a f of a minus x. What is a here is pi. Pi minus x sin square pi minus x. 0 to pi, pi minus x, sin pi minus x is equals to sin x, so sin square x dx. Now add 1 and 2. Sin square x is common into x plus pi minus x. X will cancel. 0 to pi, pi sin square x. Now we know the formulas for cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So we get sin square x as 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Pi by 2, integral of 1 is x, integral of cos is sin 0 to pi. Pi by 2, put the upper limit, pi minus sin 2 pi upon 2 minus 0 minus sin 0. Sin pi is 0, sin 0 is 0. So pi by 2, pi minus 0. Pi square upon 2 and I is pi square upon 4. सबसे पहले tan को sin upon cos, sec is 1 upon cos and cosec is 1 upon sin. जो कैंसिल होता है उसे कैंसिल करने के बाद हमारे पास ये टर्म बची. Now we use the property integral 0 to a fx dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Sin pi minus x is sin x, so sin square x, and after that put the value of sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 and solve the integral. Now the next one is integral 0 to pi by 0 to pi x sin x cos of 4x dx. Let this equation be I. Now use the property integral 0 to a fx dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x sin pi minus x cos pi minus x power 4 dx. 0 to pi, pi minus x, sin 180 minus theta is sin theta and cos 180 minus theta is minus cos of x power 4. 0 to pi, pi minus x sin x cos 4x dx. Now add 1 and 2. Sin x and cos 4x is common. 0 to pi, x plus pi minus x sin x cos 4x dx. Sin x cos 4x is equals to 0 to pi sin x cos 4x. Now we have the derivative of cos here. So put cos of x as t. Derivative of cos is minus sin x dx dt. Now when x is 0, cos 0 is 1. And when x is pi, cos pi is minus 1. Limit goes to 1 to minus 1. Sin x dx is equals to minus dt and cos x is t. Integral of t4 is t5 upon 5 minus pi by 5 minus 1 power 5 and 1 power 5. Minus pi by 5 minus 1 minus 2. So I is pi by 5. Now the next one is integral 0 to pi x sine cube x dx. Now again integral 0 to a f of x dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x. Sin pi minus x is sin x. So 0 to pi, pi minus x sin cube x. Add both equations, add 1 and 2. Sin cube is common. So x plus pi minus x sin cube x dx. Pi into sin cube x. We can write sin cube as sin x into sin square x. And instead of sin square, use the identity 1 minus cos square x. Now we have derivative of cos x here. So put cos of x as t. By putting cos x t, derivative of cos is minus sin x dx. And when x is 0, t is 1. When x is pi, t is minus 1. 2i, limit goes to 1 to minus 1. Sin x dx is minus dt, 1 minus cos square. Integral of t square minus 1. By using power rule, x power n plus 1 and integral of 1 is t. Put the limits now. Minus 1 cube minus plus 1. Lower limit 1 cube minus 1. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. 2 minus 2 by 3. I is 2 pi by 3. So I is pi by 3. I is 2 pi by 3. Now the next one is integral of 0 to pi x log of sin x dx. Use the property here. Integral of 0 to a fx dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x. Sin pi minus x is equals to sin x. So pi minus x log of sin x dx. Now add 1 and 2. Zero to pi, pi minus x plus x log of sin x dx. Pi 0 to pi log of sin x dx. Now integral 0 to 2a fx dx is equals to 2 times 0 to a fx dx when the function is even. Now we have f of x is log sin x, f of pi minus x is equals to f of x, because sin pi minus x is also sin x. Therefore 0 to pi log of sin x dx is equals to 2 times 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx. 2 times 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx. और हमने इसका इंटेग्रल सॉल्व किया हुआ है. इंटेग्रल 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x is equals to minus pi by 2 log 2. Minus pi by 2 log 2. Put this value in 3. 2i is equals to pi into minus pi log 2. I is minus pi square upon 2 log 2. Minus pi square upon 2 log 2. Next one is integral of x plus sin x upon 1 plus sin x dx. Limit is 0 to pi. Again apply the same property. Integral of 0 to a fx dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x. And we know sin pi minus x is equals to sin x. So 0 to pi, pi minus x plus sin x, 1 plus sin x dx. Pi minus x into sin x is here, not plus. Now add 1 and 2. 2i 0 to pi x plus pi minus x sin x upon 1 plus sin x dx. Pi is constant. Integral of sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Now add and subtract 1 in the numerator. 0 to pi 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus sin x minus 1 upon 1 plus sin x. In this type of integral, first rationalize it. 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x. Integral of 1 is x, 1 minus sin x. A plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. And 1 minus sin square is equals to cos square x. Two I is equals to pi x minus 1 upon cos is sec, sin upon cos tan, sec x tan x dx. Integral of sec square is tan and sec x tan x